Hola amigos. All right, what's up? What's up? Hope you're all doing great, man. This day, man, this day has been a really unfortunate day. Let's keep that one, and I'm gonna show you guys what happened this day, man. M and Q is crossing the lows. Oh wait. I gotta switch up the mic. Put it here. All right. Put my music on.
Gucci down in the trap with the
Let me make sure y'all cannot hear the music. Oh, y'all can. Oh, I was about to get a copyright, man. Hey, man, fucking take it back. From the get-go, bro, I just want to see these lows getting taken out. I wanted to get in here. Brian, on an M5. Not here, actually. No, it was lower. Here, I missed out on this one. Also here, I had my entry here, bro. I had my limit here and then dump. Anyways. Good morning. For real. Mic up? Y'all cannot hear me? Wait, now it's better? Is it now better? If it's now better, let me know. And come on, we got 3 likes. Like, guys, from the get-go. Like, the first 2-3 minutes, we need, like, a lot of likes. And, yeah, I just want to forget about the likes and focus on the chart. That's really it. So, come on. Let's get it started, bro. Again, from the get-go, I want to see these lows getting taken out for that current low of week. Current week low. I just want to see it getting taken out. There was, like, an ideal trade here. Within at 2 a.m., ideal. 6 a.m., I waited for this one, man. There was a 2-stage PSP here. I waited for that one. I was willing to enter after this CISD, but we never got it. And now we're seeing that price is dumping. And yeah, it seems like we're gonna go for the lows now. I think it's the time to go for the lows. Hopefully we can manage to get an entry here back to the lows. Yeah, because price seems like it's just pushing lower. That was a trade from yesterday. Bro, the exit was perfect, man. I exited somewhere in here, but yeah, it just took out a low and then fucking reversed. Oh, bro, but that looks super ugly. Yeah, that was a fucking I'll forget about it, man. Forget about it. Yeah. And also I missed out on a CL long, man. Like, today was fucked up, bro. Not gonna lie, man. Where's that CL long that I wanted to take, bro? Like, I'll show the screenshots later on, bro. I had my limit here. And I don't know why it didn't tag me in, bro. Like, I don't know why. It came literally to the tick. I had this as my entry. Stop here. And I'm going for this high. I was going for this high. No, I was going for a 4-hour high. For the recent 4-hour swing, which is this one. I was going for that one, but bro, like, it is what it is. It was like a fucking really good trade, man. That could have been like I was aiming for 1.8k. But nonetheless, let's see if we're gonna make some money today. That was really unfortunate, man. Let me see. Yo, what's up? Ni hao. Hello, I have a question. Yeah, instead of putting I have a question, just put a question, buddy. So yeah, from the get-go, again, looking at the daily, what we formed the high of day. Let me just clean my just clean it. I love when we have that failure to displace. Again, looking at this gap, I kind of like inverse, but again, we formed that C2. You could have taken longs back into the highs, and now we're failing to displace beyond the high. And what do we have? A 2-stage PSP here. So again, we're forming the high of day from a 2-stage PSP. Bro, this is the best model you can trade in your life. Looking at M15, there was that M15 entry, and you could put your stop there, but again, like, it just retraced all the way up there, and I wouldn't really take it just with that weak closure. I wouldn't really take it. Yeah, look at that entry. That's a really clean entry, by the way. This one, put stop there, go for the highs. Again, I think I told you, I think yesterday, that I'm probably gonna start using also the M15 entries. But yeah, if we confirm now, all we need is to have the draw still open by 10. That's the only thing we need. Hopefully the draw is still open by then. Yeah, because now 9:30 is about to open up, and yeah, y'all know 9:30 is. Let's just share around and go down. Now we're confirming this CISD. Like, I might just take it like this, bro. Not gonna lie, I might just take this M30 entry. I think I'm gonna take it. You know what? I'm gonna take an M15 entry. I think I'm gonna take an M30 entry. Where is MQ? MQ put it near RB because I wanted to take RB too. Yeah, I'll just take this M30 entry, bro. Yeah, this is what I was waiting for. This CISD, but we never got it. You know what? Let me go with like, let me see the M15. How's the M15? Okay, I'm just gonna go with like the M15. Fuck it. I'm just gonna go with like the high here. Create limit order. Oh my god, trader bed is not logged in. Is it not logged in here? Okay, I need to log in, bro. What the fuck? Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. Give me 1 sec, boys. I want to market these here right now, literally. I just want to go for like an. All right, it just logged in directly. Perfect. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like 2 contracts. Bro, I missed it, I guess. All right, I'm in. So I just want to go with this one, bro. Like I really want to try like an M15 entry. I never tried one, so I think this is about that time. I think this is about that time. Just gonna go for like an M15 entry. This looks clean. We're trading away from the hive day. We got an open draw through the lows. I don't have to question it, bro. Like I just want to go with like an M15 entry to the lows. Yeah, and keep it there. And now I just want to look for that failure to reverse, for that failure to manipulate these lows, or I can trade away from this gap, like in terms of the M15 or like the M30. Yeah, so now my stop is there. I'm entering with just 2 micros. I think that's like, I don't know. I just aim micro here. I did not even calculate the risk. $300 for almost $600. So yeah, I just want to start taking these entries that are clean, like trading away from the hive day. CISD, we have this CISD, another one here. Yeah, we got the driver now, just gonna push price lower. So you don't have really to kind of like over what? What's that word? Overcomplicate things. But look at ES, bro. ES is about to take that draw out. It's about to take that draw on liquidity. So once it does, I'll move my stops to break even. And I will just move my stops to break even right now. Yeah, these entries are just the cleanest. Like now I don't care. If I end up getting on like an hourly swing and just taking it for the lows, that's perfect. If not, it is what it is. I'm on that trade already. So here's the beauty of it. If we end up going for my break even, now we'll form a new swing, so I'll have the chance to hit on an M5. If it just dumps, I'm in a trade already. If it dumps and leaves the gap behind, I'm gonna enter from the gap, also add in on an M5 because now I'm break even on that one. So I'm safe on that one. So I'll be open to take a full risk entry, another entry here. So this is the beauty of like taking it there. So let's see if it's gonna go. If it's not, it is what it is. So let me see. Let me turn it to money, bro. This time I'm gonna do it with the money. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna add the ICT face, bro. 156, 171. Let me see. 150. Oh, same Texas dollars. Okay, so these ticks are the dollars amount. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. That's looking beautiful so far, man. That's looking beautiful. That's like my first M30 entry, man. Oh my god. I'm excited. I really want to start taking these entries, bro. They're really beautiful, easy to take. You don't have to stress over them. Take your entry, clean execution. Try to frame your 4-hour profile or trading away from a 2-stage PSP. We got the CISD on M30. I don't have to really overcomplicate it. So come on. Hopefully by 10, bro. We got already a winner in the house. We got like a W in the house already. I'm probably gonna continue a bit lower, but I'll just keep it there, bro. I just want to get out there. Beautiful. Come on, NQ. You got it. You're not gonna leave behind these first ones, just like you did on with ES. Come on. $350, 354, 352. Yeah. And I hate to know, you got me tied up. You're regretting now, but it's your mistake. What it makes you think that my mind would change? And you know. Come on, buddy. You ain't gotta retrace, bro. You just gotta take that drone liquidity. That's it. I'm not gonna trade NQ for the day, bro. That's it. I'm gonna go to CL, man. I'm probably gonna go to CL because I missed that one, and we still have that drone liquidity open. So, but we have a 2-stage PSP here. Interesting. So let's see if we're gonna go for the lows or not, bro. More than you love. No vamos pa torques. Oh man. So I'm just gonna set an alert here. By the time it gets taken out, I just want to know. But I think I will allow Incurred this sound to go for TP, man. I'm not gonna put my stopper. I'm just gonna put it a little bit here. So that way, even if I get the break even, I'm not gonna lose anything. Put it a little bit low. Why not secure something from it, like $20, $20. So how many? Like 16. 16. So 7 points. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Plus 3 is like 31. So I'll save like $31 here. I got like $31 here. Oh, we're cheating. Yes. Oh my days, bro. Close. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. ES got to draw liquidity, buddy. I ain't gotta risk you, man. I ain't gotta risk my money, bro. I said I'm gonna hold, bro, but just looking at like how price traded into that low, I just didn't like it. I want to see like straight expansion to the lows. All right, so starting from the get-go, bro, we're up $300. Okay, that's perfect. That's the beauty, bro. Now we can wait for the 10 a.m. and trade as we are fresh at the start. So if we do go for the lows, man, that'll be unfortunate, man. That'll be like missing out on like I don't know how much. Let me see. Let me do a market execution. Let me see the execution marks. I got out here. Okay. So I got in here. Limit. Where did I get out? 24. So that's not. Oh shit, man. Oh shit, man. Oh shit, man. So we're here. Almost up. Wait, guys, 1 sec. I think somebody's knocking my door, bro. Delivered, she's perfect. I gotta break my fast, man. I haven't broken my fast yet. Like I did. Like we're supposed to break it at 6, like almost 7, but I did not eat, bro. So now I gotta break my fast, like really good. Let me see. Perfect. Just show the panel, buddy. Can you share with us your bank account, man? If you share a screenshot of your bank account, I'll share my P&L. How much is that? 268. You're good. That's good. That's good. Starting the day strong. I watched you guys trade recap. He took the same trade. You took yesterday on Q, but I didn't. Yep, I saw that one. Yep. It was a really good trade. Also on the from the top. It was perfect. What's up? What's up, Bushy? Hurry up. Nice one. I like your energy, bro. Yeah, of course, man. Now we go every day, man. What's the PSP indicator, body? I need it low. That's nice. That's my PSP indicator. It's called Perfect Exit. Let's go. If you go to, bro, what is here? A lot of WeChat images, bro. You go to indicators and type in shout out my name and you'll see it. Shout out PS. But again, bro, the minute you're gonna put it on, man, it is gonna be so messy. So you gotta play around with it a bit. Anyways. Yes, yeah, you can mention it there. Could you explain what YM? I cannot see the rest of the comment, bro. What the? I cannot see the rest of your doing. I did not even check YM, man. Oh, bro. Shit. Look at YM, man. What is it doing? It's reverse. That's what it's doing. Yeah. It's the opposite for your name, man. Your name is Milton. This one is not Milton. This one is shooting up. Anyways, now we can start our day as if there is nothing. Like we can go about our day. Wait for 10 a.m. Take that 2 a.m. the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle and make some more money. Yeah, look, bro. This is one of the trades I want to take on M30. This one what gave me the confidence. I was like, let me highlight this one. This is the high of 2200. It was really clean again, trading away from the high of day. New invalidation level, which is a gap. So yeah, these are the trades I want to start taking, bro. You just take them and you chill. That's it. Like by the time the low gets taken out, where's that low? This one, this low, is all the way down here. And price failed to reverse from it here. So what will happen? Gold probably will catch up to that same low. That's what happened. So like these, something I'm adding, bro, is just starting to take these entries, man. M3, boom. There was another one, by the way, yesterday. No, in the morning. This one, CSD. And since we're really away from the low, I would just take it with like up, and I will take it for the Ikeo range, which probably could have, yeah, it could have been a winner. Like these are easy. Let me check. Looking for longs and set the. Oh, merchant. Oh, wait. Let me check the Discord, buddy. Let me check the Discord, buddy. I got your message. Somebody else here too. Let me check what's going on. I will respond later on. Let me go to Zoom link and join. Bro, I cannot. It's not loading up. I don't know why. So I give it some time. Holy, bro, look at that, bro. Let's go. Why did I close now, even though I said that I'm gonna hold for the lows? Because if you really check how ES traded into that low, it was like really slow. And this is the time. Oh wait, I need you to. Let me make sure his face is not there. Let me make sure before sharing his stream. Oh, so I have to pause music, by the way. Pause music, affiliated. Right there. Join with computer audio. Bro, let me take off MSI Afterburner. Where is MSI Afterburner? Oh, here's here. Come on, close. What's up, buddy? You can hear me? If you can hear me, let me know, brother. Let me check the comments, man. Silver has nice long. Okay, now we gotta start, man. The 10 a.m. We gotta do our usual analysis. Again, in cases like this, I'm not really gonna trade, by the way, guys. I'm not gonna touch YM just due to the fact that there's nothing really here to target. If I want to trade, probably I trade NQ, but I just don't like how it's setting up so far, to be honest. Wait, this NQ. Let me see if NQ traded into the low. I did not too. Yeah. So that was that trade. Thank God I executed on that idea, man. It was perfect. It was really good. By the time, oh wait, let me send a message. Won't be. All right, I got you, my boy. I got you, my man. I got you, buddy. All right. Let me. All right. Alright, let's continue. So for gold, okay, I can see your chart, by the way. So a friend of mine is also trading here to the side. The guy who joins now. So also on Saturday, guys, we're gonna go and do the weekly review, man. As we did, and so far 2 W's for the week, which is really good. I missed out on a lot of good trades. Oh, by the way, I did not actually take a winner today on RB. I took a break even, bro, and it was really unfortunate. Let me show you all what happened. I think this is where I have trader bait. Is it here? Yeah. Let me show you all what happened, bro. It was really bad. Look at that. There was a perfect 2-stage PSP, and bro, I don't know what happened here because I was on my phone and I put in a lot of orders. I don't know, like, market executor and thing closed, the market executor and closed, and I was going for the high, by the way. So that could have been probably, by the time we took out CL high, I would probably close somewhere in here. But man, I took like a $70 loss here. Like I sold here, I bought here, so that's like a break even. I bought here, I sold here, so that's like a minor loss. So yeah, by the way, just letting you guys know, this one was another trade that I was going to take, but I don't know why you put in a lot of execution. 1 second, be back. Turn off the AC, man. Super hot. What the fuck? I'm feeling super hot. Let me open the window. Okay. Now we good. Let me check the chat, bro. I haven't checked the chat. Silver has nice. Why didn't you pick YM? It's weakest from all of them. But again, well, which one sets up the best? Like, first things first, I'm not gonna say like, oh, YM was not setting up good. I did not check YM back then. But looking at NQ, it was a lot cleaner, man, compared to ES and compared to, just look at the M30. Look at the closure. Like, also this one is clean, not gonna lie, bro. What we have is the best. I always love the asset that just kind of treated above a high. Now, like the recent one that kind of manipulated a high, which is NQ. We have that CISD. Now, I'm just gonna enter off based off that propulsion block away from the high of that 6 a.m. candle. I'm just going for the lows. For that one, it's not really the cleanest. And also, like, the RR wouldn't have been the greatest, even if I wanted to execute on it. Like, yeah. Look at 2R, where's 2R? But like, look in NQ. Look on NQ. Stop there. TP's here. Almost 2R at the lows, so. But let's see. So if I want to trade YM, this is what I'll need. I need the retracement back into a gap and to continue. That's what I need. That's the only scenario where I'm gonna take YM. I don't like the fact that we kind of traded into a relevant swing. Like, if you really check, that's kind of the low. That's kind of like the level that really pushed us here. But so far, I think it's gonna fail because we try to reverse from here. By the way, if you guys hear some fireworks, because it's Chinese New Year, so they're doing these things. This is how they celebrate. Anyways, now we're just gonna start with the daily. Okay, so from the get-go, what do we have? We cheated above the daily high. Shallow opposing run that supports expansion, so now less likely I'm gonna be willing to take longs. Even though like we traded back to the gap, the only time I'm gonna do is like if we have like a clean two-stage cracking correlation on a 4-hour, like the hourly. That's like the only time I'm gonna do it. Looking at a 4-hour. And that's why I wanted to take this 2200, because we formed the high of day, and the high of day we had this SMT, and then what do we had? This two-stage PSP. Look at that, this is bearish, this is bullish, and we had that two-stage PSP. But again, this at that time it was not a two-stage PSP, but it was a strength switch. So that's why, like, just the 30 minutes, since the idea is on a 4-hour, look at that. The minute we took out the high out, you could have also taken silver, just straight above the high, but like it's, oh, this is not, what the fuck? Where's silver? Silver's here. Look at the 4-hour. Where is the 4-hour? Here. This one and this one. You get the strength switch, and here do you see the strength switch? And also on RB had the same idea. What the fuck? But yeah, that's why I wanted to take shorts on 30 minute. That 30 minute was really enough. This size, it was really enough. You don't really have to wait for like a new swing to form on the lower time frame. But like for now, ideally, I just want to see if fair to manipulate this level, a continuation from the gap, from this gap, because that's a really clean gap. And by the minute we're gonna inverse this gap, I'll probably be looking for to take out like these failure swings here. And also we have this failure swing on silver. So looking at the 4-hour, what do we have? This is a not really two-stage, but we have a PSP here. This expansion candle. Now we want to see like, are we gonna fail to displace below this low? And even if we close above this level, it doesn't really matter for me that much, as long as this gap is holding. As long as this gap is holding and I have like a one-stage cracking correlation here, I'm gonna be willing to take it to the lows, just to that low. I'm not really gonna go beyond it because we're sitting within that daily gap. So that would be like the trade for me. That would be the idea for me for gold to continue lower. And also like silver is looking really good. Failure swing. So we have something to target, and especially that gold took that low out, failed to reverse here. So now with a strength switch here, like from probably like this going weaker and this one stronger, or vice versa, it will show that probably silver is gonna catch up to that same low. And as you guys know, this is a manipulation low. Where did we react off of? This is kind of that first relevant swing that we kind of swept. Also, you can also count this one. So we reacted from this level and also this level, but did not reach this level. So that's probably going to be my next target. Just a little bit between this low, that low. Ideally, I want to have my 2R somewhere in here. And that will be my short. Yep, trading away from the high of day and anticipating a failure to reverse. Well, let's see. And on oil, So far we have a two-stage PSP, but there's nothing really to target here. There's nothing really we can target below this swing. Like we have a spaced out swing. So again, in cases like that, the only thing you can work with is the we're retesting the new weekly opening gap. Okay. The only thing you can work with is like these lows that price just formed. This is the only thing we can work with. So we have that two stage here. Now we're closing at C3. The only thing we can target on CL is these lows here. So that's like the only thing. Wait for this C3 to close. We have a two-stage cracking correlation on a 4-hour, so I don't really need much more. I don't need like an hourly cracking correlation. I don't really. I have one on a 4-hour. So this one would confirm the C3, and then I'll just drop down M3, especially that we're sitting within a gap. So now if price wants to reverse, this is the area we'll do it from. So if we get like an M5 confirmation, like an order block, then price is gonna, like that hourly gap is gonna fail and we're gonna go to lows. So in that case, on that note, I'm just gonna put 2 alerts here. One just above that gap, if I can have like a deeper retracement. Gold, I'm waiting for gold. NQ, holy shit, bro. Let me see what's going on in chat. What do you think the market will for to the Fry 2026? Do you think the market will go to the Friday? I think you mean Friday high. Friday's high. This one. I can maybe, bro. It looks like we're failing to this place below this low. We're failing to this place below this low. We're holding that low out. This one is staying protected. We just manipulated low, confirming an order block. So, but I wouldn't really like as first CP. I would just go for Monday's high, and then I want to see first manipulate, and then go for the Friday's high. The only thing I can do such thing is if I'm holding like an M30 swing, like an M30 trade, for example, from here, somewhere in here, like literally at the extreme of the range. Then I would be willing to hold it for the extreme. Even though like that's something I wouldn't do, but like this is the only time I will do it. Just like that, like you try to go like at the extreme of the leg. Even if we get like phase D's retracement, you're still protected. But like in that case, I think we might be going there. Same case for NQ. I just want to say retracement back into the gap and then continuation higher. Yeah, we have a gap here. We have a beautiful gap here. So I'll go back. I'll go to the high. But again, I'll just be sitting. I'll just be looking for this one to be taken out. Are we expecting buys on NQ? So far, looks like the daily is flipping bullish. So far, looking at the daily, flipped bullish. We bottomed out. We formed the low. We have that SMT with NQ. With ES. I mean, if you go to ES, there's no cracking correlation here really. So only have that SMT. Looking at an hourly, we also don't have any SMTs there. So like the only one we're kind of trading away from is this SMT here. Now we're confirming this order block on a 30-minute, confirming this order block. So now we can anticipate this being the protected low, because we're trading really away from it. Like we're a little bit far from it. So yeah. Let's see what we can get. Let's see, 30-minute. Okay. So ideally, I want to see the next candle trade above and form like a one-stage crack in correlation. Bro, let me put in wind hack. Something is wrong with wind hack, man. It doesn't work well. I gotta turn it off and turn it on back on for the taskbar to work. Okay, finally. So let's see. Looking at this, what do we got? We have GBP, Euro, So far we're not having two stage crack, even one stage we're gonna have one. So we just gotta wait for a minute. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. We got 65 viewers and only 17 likes. Come on. We already took a W. Already we have a W in the book. Come on. So we're already up like 1.5 R for the day. So come on. Let's push some likes. I like what I'm seeing on the CL. I'm gonna take that off because later on I will break down this trade for you guys. So come on, we need to see like at least 40 likes. Come on, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It's for free. It will take you like 3 seconds to hit the thumbs up. And yeah, that'll be it. Oh my god, that's too loud. Let me put what I'm gonna do is go to audio, just turn off desktop audio, play music. Look at that. We're closing the gap. By the way, we're closing the gap. And now we're failing to displace above the highs on ES, in Q, and also maybe on YM. We did displace, but we're still trading back lower. Let's see what we're gonna get. That's interesting. So I have this SMT here. We do have this. Nah, we don't have an SMT. So let's see. So far, so good. I like what I'm seeing, by the way. I want to see the 45. The 45 is. We got 32 minutes for the candle to close. We inverse this gap, which not really. We did actually. Not really. 30 minute. Ideally we form this two stage here. Ideally we form this two stage, which is like an SMT fail. That's gonna be perfect. This one to be weaker. So turn from stronger to weaker. So that's gonna be really good. So I'm just gonna put an alert here. Gonna put one alert here in case we do trade above that high. I'll do the same for HO, but HO looks the worst in terms of sales. So I have this SMT here. So I'm trading the mid asset, by the way, because this one is the strongest. RB is the weakest, and the kind of CL is sitting between them because RB did not take out that high, but HO took this high out. So yeah, price is delivering lower now, which is good. That's really interesting. I really want to take it now, to be honest. What time is it? 58. So buy the new hourly. The only problem is we kind of like swap this gap. Let me see. Hopefully we form a two-stage crack correlation. Hopefully we form, yeah, a second stage here. That would be perfect. If we form a second stage here, man, holy, that would be perfect. That would be really good. But let's see. Let me kind of prepare CL here in case I see something clean. By the way, let me see how much I'm gonna be risking. $160. I'll probably go with like 160 because it's not the highest probably for the time being. All right, so we're not getting a closure here. Yeah. All right. Failing to see ISD. This one flipped bullish on other candle on other assets. Okay. This one flipped bullish already. Yeah. So let's see. Just gonna go ahead and alert on trend line. Now let's try to see what's going on. So I have SMT at low of day. And not only that, I'm gonna put NQ here. I'm gonna put NQ here. ES here. Stretch that a little bit. Put that one there. Go with it like this. That's perfect. Oh wow. Let me see what we have. So we got this two-stage PSP here. Hourly. It's like a indecisive candle. So if I want to take shorts, we'll need like a gap. We'll need a gap to expand from. We need that fair swing CISD, which we don't have here. Even like if I want to take it like an inversion, we don't have an inversion. We only have like this one here, but still within that gap overall. So yeah, we gotta go like this. Let's see now. Also, gold is looking good. It did not really form a C2 in 15. Silver looking good. So the 4 hour, it kind of fell to this place, but it's really close to the low, and we expanded like way beyond the level. 30 minute. Ideally, just want a one stage crack correlation, which we don't have. I think we do have one on M15, but I don't like these equal highs. So I just gotta wait for a bit. Just gotta wait. I'm not really gonna rush it. I'm already green for the day, so I just gotta take it a bit easy. So yeah. All right, so let's do it again here. The only problem with this idea, like, that the day has expanded a lot. Like, look at the day and look at the daily candle. Should have lower, all the way down here, then back, then up, then down. Like, just the daily range has just expanded a lot. That's the only problem. And it shows, looks like it's just expanding higher. So who knows? We might just be going for the highs. We might just continue higher more, even more. So we have also this SMT here. We have this second stage here. So let's see if that's going to be enough for price to continue lower or not. Or we'll need this gap maybe. Let's see. Let me go to RB. And by the way, we're holding this gap. 45. 90 minute. Alright, what do we have? Two stage BSP on in 90 minute. Trading away from the low of day. Oh, not really. This is the low of day. Which has this SMT here. SMT2. So let's see. If this SMT, if we get that two stage PSP here, I'm probably gonna be looking to take longs, and this SMT I would just use it for the catalyst for pullback. Yeah, that would be really the case for me. So but this one has to close as a PSP ideally. HO. Yeah, it's flipping bearish. So let's just wait. Let's give it some time. I really need to wait for a minute. So far, look at that. We're flipping bearish. Again, we're getting that second stage crack. We're getting that second stage SMT. This is that first stage. This is the second stage. Because this candle just took out that high. So would that be enough now to trigger the reversal? HO is reversing, by the way. Let's see if the weaker asset is going to reverse now. 30 minute. 15. Okay. RB. We have a two stage. We have like a one stage, which is enough. I just prefer this one stage with RB. Okay. I'm willing to take it, boys. Oh, ideally if we displace also below that low, like if we close below that low, that's perfect. If we close below that low, I'll go with 2 contracts. Oh, wait, we got an M5 closure, by the way. Oh, we did close, okay. So I'm just gonna close here. I'm gonna take a sell here. Come on, tag me in. What the fuck? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro, tag me in. Let's take this off. Let's just take it. Market execution. That's like a bit far away, but that's no problem. Because we got this M5 closure here, so. So I'll probably just extend this a little bit here. This should be my entry. But it did not take me in. Now how much I'm risking? I'm probably risking way more. Like probably 300 bucks. 420, holy. That's too much. Close this one. Nope. I'm just gonna take my limit here, bro. I'm gonna take my limit, my brother. If I miss it, I miss it. 360. Alright, let's just give it 360. Alright, let's see if we're gonna retrace back. If it goes, it goes. And I think we're gonna retrace. And we're forming a gap, which is good. I might just even go with the gap. No, not really, no gap there. M3. Alright, let's see if we're gonna form this gap. Or retrace back to the M5. Fuck. Oh my god. Bad decision. Bad decision. Yeah, bad decision. Let me see what's going on with RB. Oh wow, it just expanded lower. Let me take off market execution, like the execution here. Still looks ugly. Oh my days, bro. Fuck's sake, man. Bad execution. Bad execution from my side, bro. Holy. How much I'm missing out on. Anyways, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna trace back. If we do, that's it. If it's not, it is what it is, bro. Just gonna miss. How much is it, like 2 contract? 660. No worries. Holy fuck. Holy fucking hell, bro. Fuck's sake, bro. Oh my god, man. Should've just hold that shit, man. Shit, we should've below the low. I could've probably closed now. Yeah. Shit. My god. Why did I close? Bro, I just missed out on 500. Shit. Shit. And when I put the limit, he should have just hit me. No worries. Oh man. Could've probably closed now. Yeah, look at the, oh my god. These are the trades you want to take, bro. Look at that strength switch, man. Oh my god. And I think we're gonna continue lower just with how RB kind of dumped. I think we're still gonna go for the low. But we're forming that second stage SMG here. They could have probably closed there. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Bro, CL has been doing me dirty today, man. Holy shit. Just like here, man. I literally put my market is the limit, and it did not take me in, and it just went. And I was like, it's gonna come back, it's gonna come back. It never came back. Masaimsh? No, it's here. I'm in China. It's already, look at the time here, 2300. Interesting. It looks really good. Nope, not for me. We gotta wait for a new swing. I didn't want to go. I want to take a long. No, I want to take a short. But we have this daily SMG here. Let me see what HO did. Fuck, man, look at that. Holy, what the? Oh, I like what I'm seeing, by the way, guys. I think we go for longs on NQ. M15. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for longs, by the way. I like how this one is setting up, by the way. I like how this CISD is setting up. So now this SMT is just for to kind of rebalance the range. Because if you really attack from, kind of just rebalance the range. So I don't really trust this SMT. I know I've been anticipating for the high to get taken out now. So let's see if we're gonna get a retracement or not. And probably not. Yeah, probably not. Probably no breaks there. Good, it looks really good. How did you speak so well? I don't know what you mean, bro. Now we have SMT daily. No, just because we have an SMT it doesn't mean we're gonna go for longs, bro. So just in that case, we have that SMT, but it doesn't mean we're gonna go for shorts. Let's give it some time to reestablish. So let's see. But if we get that 90-minute closure, then we'll see. We'll see what's up. But ideally, we'll close the gap. Ideally. In the next 17 minutes, ideally, we'll close the gap. Yeah, because now I'm going against the 4-hour with that. So at least I'll wait for like the 90-minute count to close. And then I'll be anticipating like a new... Or I might be taking silver, by the way. I might be taking silver on that one. We still have this SMT holding. But again, it's such a weak SMT. This one. Such a weak SMT. Were you targeting lows for CL? Yeah, but the minute RB traded below the lows, then yeah, I'll just close the trade. Yeah, I would have probably closed like the minute here, somewhere in here. I'll just wait here for a minute. Said you love me, you love me, you love me, but you lie to me, you love me. If you wanna run on me, I know a galaxy and I can take it far, alright. Oh, nice, diamonds from Africa. 56 nice, this is 56, oh nice. Where's 56? I don't know, 56 nice, man. Now, bro, I'm not gonna touch oil again. Just like to really high, now trading lower. Now we're failing to displace below the lows. So in that case, I'll be willing to take long back into like daily opener above that high. Looking at the daily range, like probably that high or something there, but we just traded a lot. Price moved a lot so far, so here I'll just wait for like a crack and correlation, which we don't have now. So I'm not really gonna take any trade here. At least I need a one stage, so just gotta be a bit patient. And I will wait for 90 minutes to close, and then that's gonna give me a lot of info. Let me see that SMT. Is that even an SMT or not? Yeah, it is. Right here. We got this SMT fill here. But it's with this one. Yeah, it's with this one. But it's not a relevant SMT, so I don't really care. So just gotta wait for a minute. Let's just wait for a minute here and see what's up. Alright, seems like ES trying to push higher. NQ is pushing higher too, trying to push higher too. But like overall, I'll just wait, man. Overall, I'll just wait. Where did I enter? No, but it's on here. No worries. Let me see. What's the maximum run for 1.5 hours? So that could have been like, I don't know, 400, 450 bucks. So far it would have been up a decent amount. But let's see. Alright, so far we have this BSP closing here, 30 minute. Like the only thing is we don't have any crack correlation. Like now for the hourly, you'll have to wait for 42 minutes. 90 minute, which is about to close. Also, it's closing as a PSP, but there is no cracking correlation with like his relevant swing. None. We're just trading from this gap. So that's the only thing. 45. Like this 45 looks clean, by the way. This 45 looks clean. It looks clean as a C2. But ideally we need like a one stage. At least like a one stage. I think we do have one here. Nah, we don't. Like it literally just formed equalize. Yeah, I did not take it out. If it did take it out, I'll try to justify it with this one, but again, it's still not the best. It's not the best of SMGs. So I'll just wait for hourly candle to close. That's the only thing I can do. If we form like a C2 here, like a C3, then I'll be looking to take the shorts. So that's, yeah, just gotta be patient a little bit. So, and don't forget to we got 73 viewers here. If you guys haven't hit the thumbs up, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, boys. And yeah, so far so good. So one trade taken, one trade missed, a mismanaged. So yeah, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, come on, subscribe. You don't want to miss out on daily live streams. So, and we're sitting at, look at that, thank you guys, 1750 subs. Thank you guys. Thank you. So yeah, probably in like a month, we'll take it to 2K. And that's gonna be really great. To go for 3K, for 2K, wow. So far, there's nothing really. So just gotta wait. Let's wait for a bit and then see what's up. And this 90-minute candle so far looks like we're seeing a failure to reverse off of that high. But in terms of lower time frame PA, it's not the cleanest. We do have a CISD, but no gaps. And also, Another thing is like this auto block, this opposing candle is not the greatest. It's such a weak. Like if it was like that one, that could have been great. So let's wait. Is that 2R? Yeah, it does give 2R. And price is expanding higher. This reminds me of a trade that I took like 2 weeks early, like 2 weeks ago, I think. And I closed somewhere in here and then it pushed the TP. Well, let's see. Let's okay, let's redo the analysis because okay. The only problem with this current daily candle on gold is the following. This is that daily open. And now if we want to take shorts, it's better because you're aligned. You're aligned with that daily candle and we have that shallow opposing row supports expansion. But if we want to take longs, you gotta like probably go for AQ the range, but overall it's not the cleanest because now I just confirmed this 4-hour overblock. So this retracement might be just that push to kind of trade it back in the overblock, have like a 1 or 2 stage crack correlation to go lower. So that's like the only idea that is going on my mind. Like 4-hour CIZs are really strong. Like if you look everywhere, you'll see it holding. Like look at that, literally filter this place, but when we get the CISD, then the price started trailing lower. Again, CISD, price continued higher. Once you get that CISD on a 4-hour, at least you'll find. So here's the thing: 4-hour CISD pull back. At least we're gonna take out this low, at least. So for me, I'm still anticipating this low to go, but when? Is it today or tomorrow? I don't know. But yeah, that's why I'm just like, yeah, look at let's give it a shot. Okay, look, CISD, that retracement. This is what caused the retracement got taken out. Look at that, bro. Like even it got retested here and then took out all the way high. Fell to CISD. Where's the CISD here? We retested it. Then whatever that low that caused the retracement got taken out. Let's continue. Again, this is a closure. CISD traded back, took out a high. CISD. This is not a CISD. Again, this is like a continuation or block. But like when we have CISD for reversal, like this is when we kind of reverse. Like just go to every pace of price, you'll see the same. It's just not here. We took it out. We're supposed to come, but like this one traded way beyond. But like we got the retracement that we needed, so. So at least we gotta wait. Yeah, I'm looking at an hourly. We got this gap here, which is the new invalidation level. And I'm seeing this level, this SMT is not that relevant for me for the time being. I'm not, just because we have an SMT doesn't mean price is gonna reverse, so. Ideal profile, ideal setup is the following. If we get an invert, like probably this inversion is gonna be like a good sign, like this M30 CSD. What's up? Can you hear me? What's up? Give me 1 sec. Let's just finish the idea and I'll get back to you, buddy. Give me 1 sec. So as I said, for this M30, at least if we get that CISD, now we can confirm this as the low of day. But ideally, you just want to be out by this range. Like ideally, get out by here because we're already expanded way beyond the daily open. And look at this 30-minute. Look at this 30-minute entry. If I was awake by here, I would have probably taken it back to the lows. Traded above previous daily high, CISD. I don't know if we have like a 1-stage crack correlation or not. Framing the high of 1800 and get that Asia expansion. Check 2000 and you guys will see a lot of expansions, and that's something I'm gonna also start using in my trading. You see like a one-sided narrative, just like 930 for indices. 2000 is, yeah. So let's see. If we can get that 30-minute CISD, probably I'll be looking for longs, but again, this is what I'll be looking for. CISD, retracement, and 1-stage crack correlation to go back for the highs. If we respect the gap, I'll go for the low. What's up, merchant? How you doing, buddy? Let me stop that. Let me stop music. I'll share your audio. Let me share your audio. Give me 1 sec.
I usually mapped it, the buy from here. Yeah, but I just didn't take it because I was on a call and shit. I was gonna take buys. This was like the first buy I saw today, man. Like from here, this one. So this was the one I wanted to take. Like food change, like sweep and failure. Just like remember what I told you. And premium of the 4 hour range. This is like the 4 hour range I'm using. So they were like good trades. There was one in Asia, sweep, like right and down to discount. And then there was another one. And there was this one, but it was clean in ES. It was like at 7 o'clock to down this range. That was like the ES one was like almost 10 hours, but it took. And then yeah, this one's by and then this one, there was no really good entry because it was kind of wide. So the only best rate is like looking at taking from the trade from discount, but there's no like a market structure shift or an entry from there. So if you probably like, so you're not really discounts of the range. So yeah, so it wasn't like a plus setup. So that's why I didn't take nothing. But it was a more good trade, like if you wanted to take it, it would have been good, but not an A plus. A plus, I'd have probably wanted though we had the change and probably drive down and then
But
go
you're gonna
back
get like a
up.
later
I
on.
was expecting this to just fly up,
Mm-hmm.
continue. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but it didn't. You remember like expectation of buys because like we failing to displace below last week, Friday low. So we failed on Monday yesterday, failure, move. So when we fail, um, we kind of look at like 50% of the mitigated win, what's it called? Week. And I will, as long as we're above this week, right? More like above 50% of the week, the rejection. It's like buys, you know, you're thinking about buys only. So rejected, came back, rejected. So as long as you're here, like buying opportunity until like probably we take yesterday's high, which will be possible today. We have like liquidity at the top. So yeah, this is all I was looking for.
Nice, man. Nice. And you ended up taking one or two, or none of them, or
No, I didn't take anything. I was just mostly you see paper trade. I didn't take anything because I was busy. I was kind of waiting for the first liquidity. When I was looking at this, I didn't see it was clean, but there was no like market structure shift. So we did displays below this, but no like market structure shift. So there was no like something telling me that we're going to displace way more. But if you check ES, it was cleaner. ES had it. That's why like yeah, I checked it in ES. It was more of like a good one. Good. Just me checking. Good PM, like sweep, failure to close, like had like the whole 9 yards. But if I was going to take it in ES, I wouldn't have waited for um it would have been kind of invalid because it would not be my trading model because I have to wait for this closure of this candle. So the candle will close, so I won't have time to like get in the trade unless probably I just waited and entered in 2 minutes. Probably here. 2 minutes would have been so probably around, yeah, around there, around like 50%. That would have been like, wow, because you're targeting the low, which is this. That would have been 4 hours. So that's like, that'd have been a good trade, actually. Then this one too. This one would have been let me see if it's been a good one for you.
do you know the amount of trades that I missed today, bro? I literally missed like five trades, man.
Bro, this is like clean. Like I've missed like 3 trades so far.
Just
If you
now,
put
I
it here.
I was about to execute an NQ longs, but then I was like, probably not. And now they just got to TP, bro. To R, CL, I closed the trade. Fucking run to TP now. 2 trades in the 3 trades in the
Yeah.
morning. Like fuck's sake, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Like
Could have been a
literally this
millionaire
one.
today.
Yeah, yeah, this would have been a good trade as well. But like,
Fuck's
see,
sake, man.
capital preservation.
Shit.
Tomorrow it's gonna be like tomorrow. I'm not gonna trade. Not gonna be looking at to trade because if we're looking at, let's go and look at Nvidia. Nvidia have their profit thing called tomorrow. They're gonna be sharing it tomorrow. So like all those you want to know if they're making money. So regardless, so after hours, so we're gonna range a lot tomorrow, right? So we have I'm looking at for all these highs to be taken out. So depending on how the report is, the report could be good and we could go up because this shit controls like almost 5% of the current um NQ market, right? Nasdaq, right? So if they get a good report and a good quarterly report, that means we could get a buy to around 200 or 204. But with the whole tariff thingy going on, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna learn. I'm expecting February to close in NQ somewhat bullish, not fully bullish, but just at the just like equally like not bullish and not very just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because we already took out the low of January. So we January low has already been taken out. So probably a little bit pushback and then probably dump
Somebody
by
asks.
March.
Somebody asks. COT or what report?
No, they're having like the financial reports, like if they made sales, if they made well, like the profit market, like each company have their business report quarterly. So they're gonna Nvidia has like theirs tomorrow. Uh let me see.
Bro, now looking at the charts, man, I'm just like, fuck. I'm just call it a day, man. I'm thinking
Yeah,
about
call
that
it a
shit.
day, but
Fuck it.
earnings, they have the earnings report.
Mm. I might just call it a
So
day, man.
it's after hours market tomorrow. So
Mm-hmm.
they're having it yeah,
Earnings for Q1, I guess. For Q1, I guess Q1. I think Q1.
Q4. Some company have it backward. So this is their Q4 report. So it's gonna come out.
Earnings. Q1 probably like
So
by April, I guess. I'm not sure.
some companies their year don't start until like probably like late March or June. So like they run it to the next year, so their fiscal year. So it's confirmed to release its fiscal fourth quarter report, 2026 annual report. So this is going to shake the market. So depending on this outcome, yeah. So if uh bullish outlook with some certain price target as has. Yeah, I do have like for me though, I do have like around 290 for the year, right? For the year for Nvidia, I do have like around what's it called? My estimate is still around, let me see. I don't know, it doesn't work on my yeah. So definitely you see we're already there. I still do, yeah. That's what I do have. You see, it's around that 270. Like if you do like this is the same place that I have. I bought like I bought some shares, $18,000 worth of shares here. Expectation to it to go here. I did buy at 120 to 120 as well. I had bought at 120 and sold here and bought more, way more, went back in after the pullback. So my expectation is like towards the end of the year should be like two around this level. See, I haven't marked it. I marked it before they said 270. Yo, man, I should be working in the bank. Hey, sure.
I hear you, my brother.
Yeah, I should be working in the bank. You see, I marked it before even going there. Like, see, max, that's my take profit. That's where I'm expecting it to go. Yeah, it could go sideways, but yeah, that's it.
Got you, my brother. So now, are you looking for any trades or not? Are you
No, I'm not,
chilling?
bro. No trade today, bro. Like
Mm-hmm.
everything already, bro. If you keep it simple, man, your first 1 hour, 30 minutes is like your trade. So
Yeah, I'm still probably gonna take an M15 entry on gold. It looks really clean now. If I can like an M15 entry, I'm probably gonna take it for the lows, bro.
a
If you,
gold
yeah,
was
gold.
like, but it's actually you want to take sales or buys,
Yeah, sales, of course, sales.
bro. Just wait, man. You are like in a what's it called? Daily fair value gap. Like let it tell you out tomorrow, bro.
If I get the CSD, that's like this is like whenever we kind of trade back into a gap, we don't just reverse like from the get go. At least you kind of form a swing to take it out and then go.
Yeah,
And
we could
if we
probably
get
buy
the
anything.
now we have a two
We
stage
we we
PSP.
we are in a daily fair value gap, right? When daily fair
Yeah,
value
yeah.
gap. we displaced back. You see,
Mm.
displaced back in. If we, oh, give me a second.
I'll just take this M15, man. It looks super clean. I took an M30 entry by the way at the start of the stream, which is like my first 30-minute entry. If I do get this entry, I'm gonna take it. Um, NQ just fucking expanded the highs, bro. Like fuck's sake.
Yeah, so this is yeah, that's what's um what's it called?
Let's
This
see.
is what probably gonna be like it like
Not good.
crazy, if not. Um mhm. Yeah, I did see gold. I went there, analyzed gold this morning. I saw like a
Wait. Do you
trade.
hear? Do you hear me on stream or on on Zoom?
You know, Zoom on Zoom.
Okay.
I'm
I
not
was
on
like,
stream.
yeah.
Yeah, gold would have been great. Like checked it, right?
Go to 30-minute.
Taken
I'll show you if I order to take an entry. Can you go to 30-minute? That could have been my entry, bro. And stop here. To the slow.
bro, that's like a big stop for gold, man. You got to wake that.
But I think
Like,
it was like a
yeah,
103, so or like a
yeah,
one
yeah, but
two.
this was like, bro, man, that's something like just like I checked this trade, it was like risk like 400, and that was like the dump.
No, but I go on MGC, bro. I wouldn't. My account size doesn't handle GC. It just gotta be MGC.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and GC is like too much, bro.
Yeah,
If I
this
wanna
was
go for
like that.
GC, let me see that M15. If I wanna take like this M15 style, how much would it be?
Bro, that should have been like probably maybe 5, 6 grand or seven.
Let me see.
But this was like I won two contracts was like almost
1700.
10. Yeah,
If I take
two
that
contracts.
M15, let me see that M30 candle. Let me see that M30 trade. If I wanna like
Probably
again, I will
2K.
um 2K, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, 2K, yeah. Yeah, this was like
Um,
this was like the best trade. Yeah, other than that, I don't think there's any more trade. So like you see, bro, the buys was just I told you I was gonna take buys, man. I told you.
you want? Yeah.
Uh,
Earlier
I told
on.
you. Yeah, sweep, quick, good trade. Yeah. So let's see. So if we're gonna get a reversal during the week, where we're gonna get a reversal from? That's like the thing we should be thinking about. So if we're gonna get a reversal, I want to see a closure, a failure to close above here tomorrow. And let me go to the daily. And a daily candle, probably just weak it. And
Mm-hmm.
then probably and Thursday and Friday will be heavy sales. I want to see a buy there, failure to weak, and then we just have a Wednesday reversal, or Thursday gets there, failure to weak it, and then have a Friday reversal, which could be like dip, just sum them all, or we could just continue up and then match Saturday's thing because we have liquidity built in both sides of the spectrum right now. Like here and here, even though this is SMT because of ES, I think ES took this level. So
Yeah, I did.
we could just yeah, so we could still push up and take to do we go to 26,000? So no, I think probably somewhere we're gonna be around this summer. But with the whole tariff and everything, we could see more lower push down.
I got you, my bro.
Yeah. Bro, man, I can't even believe this. 275. Wow, like literally. And I went to my chart and I have it. Sometimes
You just want to set a limit and then just just let it go there.
like, it's not about it. It's just like, see, these people, Morgan Stanley, with all the tools they have, and Bank of America, and they predicting at 275. And then me, just a regular trader, you know,
Mm. Going for that same level.
going for that same level.
TP there, bro.
Yeah, that's why I have my TP, like literally, like so. It shows progress. It shows, what you're doing, what you're doing.
You're doing great, buddy. Oh, we got 70 viewers here, by the way. You want to say something to the viewers? We got 70 here. You want to send
Man,
a
I'm looking
message?
for a day where I'll trade live with you guys, like from the start to the ending, like literally show execution, man. That's what I want. I don't know. Let me check my
Bro,
calendar.
I will try. I will try to. I will try to improve on the quality of the stream. I will try to find a way to. Do you know? Do you know when you go to Ninja Trader or like my funded futures and they have all these people like sharing screen and stuff? I wanna do it like that at some point, where they can see
Yeah,
your
man,
screen and they can see my screen at the same
we can
time.
do it like that. We can do it going through. I want to do a challenge, probably start of March, and see maybe with Alpha Capital or what's it called? Um Top Step
Mhm.
and see how much withdrawals I can make from a 150K account for a whole month.
150k.
Like
Is
start a
it like
challenge.
150 or just you mean the number
One
is 1 and 50k is the account?
150K, no, the 150K, and
150k.
I'll just
Okay.
trade it. Yeah,
Okay.
trade it to a whole month. But with Alpha Capital, the withdrawal it's like bi-weekly, which is
Mm.
sure. But if we do Top Step, we can get like 5 days.
Mm.
5 days. We can share update on the stream. I'll
Yeah, for
send the
sure.
updates.
I live stream every day, so you can hop on, bro. You can hop on
Yeah.
and we can do it live, man.
All
That'd
right,
be
bro.
great. That would be great if you can, man. So try to find it. Like we can try to figure it out. Like check your schedule and things that are happening. Like I know what's going
Yeah,
on
yeah,
your
yeah,
side,
yeah.
so
It's just that majority of the time my schedule,
mm,
man, busy, like blocked out. Like
I know.
tomorrow, my day starts like 7:30. I'm home, but my day starts, okay. I'm home. I could be on stream from 8 to 8:30, right? And then go ghost for like 30 minutes and then back at like 9 to every time.
Wait, 9 New York time or your time, which is like EST, right? I don't know. Like you're
My
minus
time
four
is
or minus
Central
five,
Time. Central Time, Central Time.
which is
So if
9:30
it's
New
New
York
York
time is
time,
8:30 for you, right?
tomorrow I'm available from 9
Mhm.
to 9:30 NYC,
Mhm.
and then go goes for 30 minutes because I have a 30 minutes call. And
Mhm.
then I could be back on uh from
10.
9:30 from 10, yeah.
All
From
right,
10.
perfect. Tomorrow we can link up at 10 because I don't really stream. I stream at like 9:15, 9:20. So you can do your and by 10 we can hop on. Okay? I think
All
that'll
right,
be the
no
case.
problem.
I think that'll be the case. I'll try to figure out maybe today if I got time after I finish the stream to
Yeah, I need
set
to
it
get
up
a
just
clearer
like my
mic
funded
and
futures and
see
stuff.
how clearer mic. I need to get a clearer microphone or something like that.
You sound good, bro. You sound good. So
They complained that I was echoing or something like that.
I'm not really sure, man. I
Yeah.
don't think they do. If you really listen, your voice is. Oh, what the fuck? I wasn't sharing your stream. What the hell? I wasn't sharing your chart the whole time. What the fuck? I thought that it was your chart the whole time.
It's okay, it's okay. They're not seeing it. They're not seeing it. Yeah.
So that's why we gotta split, like to have your chart like here, my chart.
Yeah,
Like,
we can have
do you
both
know? Like
chats. Like see
it's a really
how we
good
can
man how
have
they
both
do it.
chats.
I'll try to figure it out. I'll try to give it a
Yeah.
shot. And if you guys hear, wait, before you go, do you guys hear him clearly? If it's yes, let us know in the chat. If it's no, then you can know. But I think it's fine, bro. I don't think there are no issues. Wait,
Yeah.
somebody just said Nasdaq. I think they're just gonna. There is a bit of a delay.
It doesn't look
So
ugly, man. You missed it, the buy. You missed the buy, bro. Like it was below, man. You just have to wait for the displacement, man. Key concept when the market is like heavily ranging, just look for displacement to the next swing point and just finish it.
they see the yes. Okay, so your audio is good, bro. Your audio is good.
Uh,
All right, yes, yeah, because there's a little bit of delay on stream, so it takes a bit of time for them to kind of catch up. So
okay,
everybody's
bro.
saying yes, so there you're fine, bro. So you don't, no worries with the mic.
All right,
It's
so
fine. All right,
join. All right, man. See you tomorrow,
all
bro.
right.
Later,
See you,
bro.
buddy. See you, man. Catch you soon. All right, have a good one. All right, boys. So tomorrow we're gonna link up again, 10 a.m. But I will try to find a way how to do it with like just like the my funded future and stuff. I don't know. Hopefully I wouldn't need some sort of like I forgot the name of the machine, but yeah. So probably I might just call it a day here, man. Nothing really going on. I just want to see like a further continuation lower on silver. No, not silver. CL. For that low, fail into like way close below that level. Again, I can use this one as C2. So let's see. Hopefully we can trade the both. Because if we take this CISD as valid, it's really valid for me, but this is drawn liquidity, so yeah, I'll need price to go up. Probably from like a one stage and then or a filler swing CISD, that would do it too. That would do it too with like an SMT. So let's see. Bro, I missed out on tons of... Wait. How do you trade, bro? For you to know how much... How do you trade, bro? For you to know how much an R is. I don't know what you mean there, bro. It's PSPNR crack calculation? Yeah, it is, but I just prefer SMT sometimes. But like a PSP that closes C2, that would do the job. Our current conditions favor intraday reversals. How does your trade and adapt during one-sided conditions do? Our current conditions favor intraday reversals. How do you trade? How does your trading adapt during one-sided consolidation? Do you take fair trades for objectives? I don't really look at it this way. But I don't know. I've never kind of looked at it as seasons or stuff like that. Like if the setup is looks good, I have a close proximity to drone liquidity. I just take it from the get go. So I don't kind of pay attention to all these things. But like when a one-sided condition, I still just look for my 2R. I don't really go for further objectives. Yeah, always gonna take 2R just like that close proximity drone liquidity. And for the size of position, yeah, it's always the same for me. It's same size. If I cannot take you with NQ, I'll just go to MNQ. If MNQ also doesn't allow it, which like most of the time it does, like 99% of the time. For example, there is a setup on CL. For example, I risk $400 to $500. If I'll have to enter with like $800 of risk, then I just let the trade go, or sometimes I try to squeeze my limit to be able to adapt to that size. I don't know if that answers your question or not. خديت واحد لوين في انكيو perfect man in grande poto in grande poto il grande poto باغي yes what do you think on NQ and ES only to previously high it did go bro no, yeah it's just it's off bro it's already up yeah that could have been a great move by the way this CIC was a really clean so it is what it is for the chart for this one, let me go ahead and go to Robson chart. I will go to trading view and then paste his chart here. Let me see. Nice, bro. Oh, Robson did. Nice, man. He did take that trade. Perfect, bro. Nice, man. Nice. It was a clean one, by the way. Nice. GG's, Robson. Good job, man. All right. Probably I might just call it a day here, bro. What time is it? Oh no, still. Oh, my phone is dead. Holy. Let me put it to charge. Let me charge it and be back. Be back in a minute. Oh my god, bro, we lost 40 viewers. Oh my god. All right, let's see. From the get-go, what do we have? Rien. Rien, monsieur. Let me see. I like what I'm seeing, by the way. Like, it's just shallow opposing round at 10 a.m. I really like when it just kind of slowly goes up. We're still holding that gap overall. I don't like the fact that we kind of like really close proximity to that high, to this level, to that opening price. But I really want to see further continuation lower, man. That would be perfect. We got a PSP here, but again, if like this is the thing. Like when you get a PSP, it's not really that relevant sometimes. PSP failed. But yeah, CL, fuck's sake, bro. We're just going lower. It is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta miss. And today, bro, it's been one of the worst days that I've traded. Like really. Not in terms of like my performance, but like in terms of the amount of trades that I missed today. Like it's fucking insane. RB. I don't know what happened there. Like they closed me out and shit. Again, that could have been at least like a 1 or 2 R winner. NQ. Oh, I gotta share my screenshots with y'all. What is it called? NQ. For some fucking reason, bro. No, not NQ. You know what? Before I close the stream, I'll go ahead and break all the trades that I wanted to take today. And yeah, you guys will learn a lot of things. Really, a lot of things, bro. Today, the amount of lessons that I learned today. Oh my god, bro. Just from the stream, just on the stream, bro. I don't even have to talk that much on stream. Just fucking close it. Dump. I was waiting for the reach. Go. NQ. Overthink it twice. I was like, maybe this time. Boom. GB. And at least for NQ, I did not put the entry yet. At least I did not put the limit. At least. But like for CL, I did. I removed it. And the other 2 or 3 trades, I just, bro. Like at least I could have been up 5k at least today. At least. I was gonna go full in, bro. But now I'm up, I don't know, 400 bucks or something like that. Or 300 bucks. Oh man. That's why I didn't really want to risk much today. Especially with, yeah. Like if I close the day red, that would be, that could have been a bit painful to be honest. That's why I'm just going a bit easy here. So yuppie. Oh man. Let's see. We got 45 viewers and 45 likes. Wow, the beauty of balance. Okay, let's see what's going on with ES. Again, ES I got a lot of room to the upside. A little bit of room, not that much, but still. I would like a new swing formation. That would be really great. Come on, NQ, you got it. Come on, NQ, please give me that entry that I missed. Like, look at that. This is what I mean with like these manipulations highs that you want to be aware of. We did not get to the high, but we got here. Do you guys see? No, 46. It is, bro. Shit. Damn. So this is what I mean when I tell you guys, like, do not target the high. Target just whatever that got manipulated. It's a lot safer for you. If you can get 2R by there, just close there. Here, like more than 2, I think 2R comfortably here. Like a comfortable 2R. Yeah, 2.9. 2.0 or 2.1. So it could have been like a comfortable 2R there. So do not go for the high. Like, look. For like, it's actually a lot, like 34 points. What was the stop like? You could have taken like an extra half R there. So it could have been, let's guess, 2.7? I guess 2.7 R. About a high, I guess. 2.7? 2.75, I missed it. Anyways. So. By the way, what's your view on gold? I long from 5 minutes C3 CISD. I ain't got nothing to say, bro. You're already in a trade. I mean, it looks good. If you got him from this one, it looks really good. But I don't know, bro. I'm just my brain is just short biased for the time being. And now we just got this 30-minute candle. This what is it called? This 90-minute candle open. Even for oh, what the fuck, bro. Anyways. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that anyways, I guess. But don't tell me we have you once. Shit, I could have. Look at that one stage. Away from Halo. And this 15-minute confirming the low of 10 a.m. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Let's see. What time was that? Is that a time that I was away from the charts? All right, CL. On CL, I don't know what happened, bro. I checked Forex Factory. It did not show anything, so it showed nothing. So I don't know what happened there. Now, what I need to see, gap. You guys know. Yeah, you guys know what I'm gonna be looking for now. Now I can trust like this is like an established low of 10 a.m. with like this gap and also the CISD. We expanded. We formed the gap with the CISD. One stage tracking correlation to the upside. And there is a not really a string switch. Not really a string switch. I was like, oh, this is a string switch, but it's not. So for the time being, I just gotta wait for this PSP, this beautiful PSP. I'm like a second stage. And I will take it back to that higher, whatever that would give me. That would make my P&L grow. So, what about the bootcamp, bro? Oh shit, that's true. That's true. Bootcamp. That's actually so true. By the way, what about the bootcamp? Meal? Oh, look who we got here. Hey Tom, what's up? What's up? Where are you from, by the way? Like and sub, where are you from? No, A-Time is doing a job, man. Shit. Alright, so we got this M15 kind of closure. Come on, give me one stage. Oh, we do have you on one stage. Woohoo! Woohoo! Do I want to go with silver? Do I want to go with silver? 30 minutes. Just been displaced. 3 minutes. Man, my brain is not braining. Ramadan, man. Ramadan is just. I gotta eat a lot, bro, and I haven't eaten. Bro, I gotta make a coffee at least. Let's see if I take that trade, I'll go take a coffee break, man. Gotta make a coffee, man. My brain is not functioning well. I go with like a contracts here. I go with like one. I go with gold. We're going with gold. We might go with gold here with that CISD. But it's the only problem with gold, man. It's just like really expanded. That's the only issue. So we gotta be a little bit cautious with gold. But let's see, M5, M3. I think I like the M3 more, a bit more. Kind of failed to close below this gap, which is good. Oh, we did actually. We did close below it. Oh my god. Let me see. Alright, so what do we got? Another hourly candle on the upside. We got a gap here. Look at silver, man. What the fuck, bro? Let's put MGC here. Let's say M5. We're failing to CISD. We're also failing to CISD above this high. Failing to displace a little bit, so just gotta wait for a minute. What is HO? Yes, YM. What is YM doing, bro? I haven't checked YM for ages. NQ. Oh, NQ. Oh, bro, what am I gonna touch NQ? Oh, let me put the background music on. Yelvin. And remove the desktop audio. Play some music. Oh, one of the best future songs, man. Blood on the Money. Where's Blood on the 37 million listens? Man. We've been on. I heard from is calling. We got blood on the money. All day. I know. They got blood on the money and that's still on it. They got blood of water very up. I can save it up. $30 minutes? Oh my god, bro. Again, like it's time for starts pushing higher, man. Like in cases like that, when you try to kind of like overthink your overthink everything, this is the time we probably should say like goodbye. Probably. Yeah, and I'm just looking at the charts, bro. And nah, look at that, bro. It's just pushing lower, man. Like we did get an M5, almost got an M5 CISD here. Oh, we did. They get that CISD here, but because that low, look at that low. That same low is here. We failed to manipulate it multiple times. Like we traded below it because our tracing back. Now we traded below it. So now like each O is just a matter of time to kind of trade back into it. Can we take like a minor trade here? Nah. Nope. Now what I need to see is this. 2-stage CISD. Retracement, enter, TP, and then chill. Do live stream every day, bro. I do live stream every day, by the way. PSP indicator settings, please. Oh my god, that's gonna be. I think I'm gonna post a video today for the PSP indicator, or I will edit the code today. I don't know. I'm not sure if I can edit the code. Let me check. Your profile. That's taking too much. That's taking too long. I'm not sure if I can edit the code, bro, to make it easier. But if I can, I'll do. If not, I'll just what is it called? I'll just remove it and then put it back on. So for scripts. Yeah, it's this one, but how can I edit it? I don't think I can edit the... Oh, 1K views, damn. Wow. Shit. Oh, and when you go, you'll see the refined shit. So really, I'll have to edit it, bro, because there are a lot of options there, and yeah. To make it a bit easier to use. They got blood on the money and I still counting. I don't know, like how much is the delay for the stream, bro? I don't know, it's like 5-10 seconds. I'm not sure. His name is TRT the regular. That's a good one. All right, now I like. Okay, bro. Now I'm thinking about now I'm thinking about shorting gold for real. My brain is just like, you need to short gold. We have a 2-stage PSP here. To be honest, man, my brain now is telling me to short gold because that's like that's the thing I wanted for a long time to do. But let's see. Let's you know what? Let's give it some time. Let's give this candle time to 21 minutes. You know what? Let's wait for the M15 to close. We do have a 2-stage PSP here, by the way, but yeah, ideally for that CISD. Oh my god, bro, that's gonna be an easy trade for me. Like no stress. Just this is MGC. Let me see how much I'm gonna be risking. I think like 200 or 300. Perfect. 271. Try to look for, but like 1 or 2 is like all the way. 271, so like 140, so 542. 542 ticks. 542 ticks. My 1 or 2 is gonna be somewhere in here. Yeah, I guess somewhere. Come on. 542. That's like a little bit far away. It'll be here for like 1 or 2. Yup. But yeah, that's too much, man. But like now, yeah, I just want to be out by here. Just looking out this 10 a.m. expand all the way down up there and then. So let's see if we're gonna frame a trade there. Oh, we're failing to displace. Okay. Now what do we have? Not really to stage here. So just gotta wait. Let's just Denisha. And now we're just manipulated the low. We're going up for the high. Well, if this is empty here, chilling away from the low of day, let me see how far price is expanded. I'm still in premium, by the way. I'm still in premium. So I'm just gonna put an alert here. But we did get that M3 CISD, by the way. This is what kind of resistant right now. What song is this? See now we change money, get that swing. The pistol scope up, body strap. Alright, so now ideally what I want to wait for is just this 30-minute swing to form. This 30-minute swing to form. Like I could have taken this M15, but it's just reacting from a gap, but it's just not the best. Like I wanted this 30-minute gap to hold, but it's just it got oh, it did not get inversed. Okay. Well, let's just wait. I'll just wait for price to expand a little bit lower and then then take it. Or if we get that CISD, I'll actually be looking to take back to the high. I'll actually be looking to trade up to the highs here, somewhere in here. Get a plastic bag. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. You've danced all night, girl, you deserve it. Get a plastic bag. Get a plastic bag. Go ahead and pick. Let me share the audio with you. You've danced all night, girl, you deserve it. Get a plastic bag. That's it. I got a copyright. You danced all night, girl, you deserve it. Escuché that shit like church on Sunday. Nigga, look at us like maybe one day. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. But for now, when no. Oh God, man. God help us make some money here today. No, roll up with the bands on me. RB. What RB's doing? What RB's doing? Is he going for the lows? Oh. Muy bueno. Muy bueno. You deserve it. Get a plastic bag. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. You danced all night, girl. You deserve it. I'm going for that one, boys. Oh yeah, busting out a rap. Oh yeah, showing up money on a mind. All right, so far what do we have? Again, look at the 4 hour. It expanded lower. Now we're aligned with a 4 hour 2-stage PSP causing that expansion. We haven't reversed off with a lower 4-minute new swings, so the next drone liquidity is gonna be that low. Looking at a 30-minute, we formed a clean gap there, and not only that, we have now. That's SMT here, which is an SMT fail. So I just need a 1-stage cracking correlation. Again, it just needs to hold. And if we start seeing price reversing, I'll be taking a sell to that drone liquidity, and that's gonna be the trade for the day. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. You danced all night, girl, you deserve it. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. What is this? What? Z? I'm trading Z. Okay, so, oh. I don't like how it's forming, man. Go ahead and pick up all the cash. You danced all night, girl, you deserve it. And by the way, why I don't want to go with CL, not the asset that sucked, because there's literally no close proximity drone liquidity on CL compared on RB compared to CL. So that's why I'm preferring CL, even though it's forming that failure swing CIZ, which I don't like that much compared to a clean CISD. But again, sometimes you gotta take what you have. So I'm just gonna put an alert here, another alert here. So either we trade in the gap, I will see what's going on, or if we kind of trade this place a bit lower. Other than that, oh my god, dude, let me do this. I don't know why they keep doing this for me, bro. Connect. You good? Unauthorized? Why? Come on, are you tripping? What the fuck is wrong with you? Unauthorized? What the fuck? Let me refresh the. Let me be back in. Why am I unauthorized? What the fuck is wrong? Look at that. Connect. Unauthorized. What the fuck is wrong with that shit? Is it from TraderVay, guys, or is it just me? Can anybody check, guys? Is it TraderVay or is it just me, man? I don't know why, bro. If it's gonna continue like that, bro, I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't know if it's just me, man. Is it for y'all too, man? Let me give it one more chance. Let me give it one more chance. Like whatever I want to use, like look at that. Even if I want to use like demo, it doesn't work. Live doesn't work. Trading, paper trading. Let me check TraderVay, bro. Yeah, I can log into my TraderVay, bro. I don't know why. I can log into my TraderVay. And I'm not that good, bro, with TraderVay, man. I'm afraid I'll fuck it up. Oh. Let me try to see what's up with TraderVay. I don't know why, bro. You know, I'll just trade it aside, man. If I enter a trade, I'll let you guys know. But I don't know, bro. I'm not really good at TraderVay, bro. It's... Man, I'm not good at it. Restart trading view? I did, man. I did. Let me do it for one more time. Is it working for y'all? Can anybody log in from from Trading View. Yeah, it says unauthorized. I don't know. I don't know what happened, bro. I don't know. I have no idea what happened there. Anyways, we're just gonna go here and open a trade here, bro. Oh my god, bro. I cannot really use that shit. What the fuck? I'm really bad at Trader Vay, man. That's really bad. Let me try here. Let me try on that chart. Trade. Trader Vay. Unauthorized. Look at that, bro. I don't know what's wrong. Alright, now it seems like that two-stage PSP is really holding. It's really doing its job. Oh, now we just got a second stage, bro. Now I want to take this one, bro. Now I want to take this CISD. If we get that CISD, I'm going to take it. I don't know how much to calculate the risk, bro. What the hell, man? I'm gonna put... Is this MGC? I don't know how to calculate the risk, bro. Can you calculate the risk for me? It cannot, bro. Yeah. You know, I'll just go with one contract. I don't know how much it is, but... Did we close? No, we did not close below. So I just gotta wait. Oh my god, bro. I really don't know how to use this one. I really have no clue, bro, how to use Trader Vay. Not no clue, but I can, but I'm not really familiar, bro. Like I'm so fast at Trading View, but like here I'm just so slow. So let's see if we're gonna get the M3 closure or not. We're forming a gap, so we can also trade from the gap. But I don't know. Wait. Let me see. MGC, one tick value. How much is it? $5? $1. Okay. So in that case, we got 80 ticks, so that'll be $80, right? Is that 80 ticks, bro? I'm fucking... Yeah, 80 ticks. So that'll be like $80 for one. So I'll go with 2 micros, which would give me like $160 risk. Okay. So I'll go with like 160 for the potential of... How much it is? 1K. Oh, wow. Probably on... Let's see. What the fuck? Hey, what's up? What's up? How you been, bro? As if somebody's talking in my ears. News or something. So now we just got 3 stage here, so that's why I want to take this one. This 3rd stage, bro, like an F15. Perfecto. It's enough. Enough waiting. Time to execute if we get that closure. So, to the sauce and it got a flame out. That is. Hope it didn't truly were established. I just want to say I have it. Not so bad, so the rest and the rest, bottom. Today. We about to hear about a shit on a new song. We about to hear about a shit on a new song. Alright. 3, 2, I'm not gonna. I'm gotta wait. You gotta wait now. We gotta wait for M5. So it's got like a minute to close. So. Shoot this clips and say what you want. Nigga, shoot this clips. Nigga, won't say none. I'm probably not gonna go for the low. I'll probably go just for 10 a.m. low. How can I change time frame? Okay, so we're gonna go to 5 minute also on Trader Vade. Alright, now I'm kind of getting used to it. Okay. If this one fails to close, then I'm gonna go to M3 again because it's the nearest one to close. Okay. Alright. Gotta move out to the Cartier. We about to hear about a shit on the news, huh? Okay, how can I? Is it now on or not on, bro? How can I don't know if I'm on or I'm not on, or I did put in a market execution. Oh, it's still not on. By the way, this is my market execution. This is my limit. Else I cannot, bro. Fuck. It's not time to show. Come on, Rashid's back. Come on, gold. You got it. You got him up, boy. Give me my trade. Oh my god, that's too tiny to set the limit, bro. What the fuck? Come on. You know what? I'm just gotta remove the limit. Yes. And go sell market execution. Yes. Now am I in a trade? Okay. I'm in. Now we just gotta do buy to stop, right? I'm like put buy to stop here. Oh my god, it's so bad. That's so bad, bro. Like it's just, oh my god, man. It's not really. It's oh my god, I feel like I'm trading back in the 90s, bro. By the way, I'm in a trade, guys. I'm in the trade. I'm gonna go for here for that low. I'm in. So let me take a screenshot. Give you all the screenshot to see what's going on here. I don't know if it will be able to show it or on trading view or not. But yeah, I'm in the trade, guys. I don't know why it doesn't show. But anyways, this is the trade. I got in here, and then yeah. Also, we got like this M5 closure on silver, which is really clean. Like this one is sexy. It is what it is. Back to the live stream chat, bro. Oh my god, because the second screen I just used it for Trader Vade. Yeah, bro, I'm shorting it, man. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't even know how to manage a trade here, bro. What the fuck, man? Oh my god, it's so ugly. This platform is so ugly. Like, if I want to close a trade, how can I do it? Should I just take the buy stop and move it, or what? Oh my god, bro. We're failing to displace below low, by the way. Instead of M3, have we got the M3 CID? We got a gap here, okay. That looks somewhat good. That looks somewhat good. Let's see. I think overall it just ain't the best. It ain't the best, but let's see. Let me see what's going on with the chat, bro. Alright. What's quick tutorial? I always prefer TradingView. I always prefer trading on TradingView. It just feels old. The platform feels really old. I don't know why. I'm trailing my stop, by the way, guys. How can I trail this stop? I gotta take off the order and then trail it. Oh my god. How can I stretch the chart like this? Literally, the chart for me is like this. So when I wanted to set the limit, I just like let me just spread market execution on whatever price I got filled in. I don't know how to stretch it. I use the scroll mouse, but it doesn't do it. Is it with Alt? Nope. I don't know, bro. So it's a bit fucked up. Alright. Let's see if this one's gonna go or not. I just want to go back to that 10 a.m. low, man. Even though like now it's really slowing down. Just gotta do it, let it do its thing. And by the way, I trailed my stop here. Trailed my stop at the high of that current 30-minute candle. So this is a new 30-minute candle. So I don't want the candle to flip again bearish and then bullish and then flip bearish. So if it's gonna go from here. So literally now I'm risk free on a trade. And yep. Let's see. Let me see the chat, bro. Control scroll. I tried alt scroll and control scroll. It's not, bro. Alt scroll is just kind of just like on TradingView. It zooms in like on whatever you put your mouse in. For example, I put on that red candle, on that black candle, then it just zooms in on it. But if you use the scroll, it just, yeah. So it's kind of same. If you guys have any ideas, people that use Trade of 8, can let me know. So I'm up a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Alright, I'm about to get taken out in a minute. Wait, let me share the audio with you. Let me share the audio with you. Oh, but I gotta stop this one. Yellow here, order filled. In a minute. I'm gonna share the audio with y'all. So now y'all can hear the desktop audio. So you guys will hear. Stop filled. my stop letter is at this point. Actually here. So if we trade above, we're gonna go back, check it out. I'm out. If we don't, we're gonna dump, buddy. Alright, now it's good that we kind of retested the immediate kind of rebalance of that. Let's see. Okay. Good. Okay, seems like I just gotta put on my music again, bro. Let me go to OBS, stop sharing desktop audio, and just share my, just listen to music, bro. There it goes. Yeah, look at silver, bro. Holy, it was really clean. Look at that closure, man. Straight melt. 2 hours, like almost in a minute. So let's see, we traded below that low, which is this low. So now we have this SMT. That's what price is reacting off of. Is it like irrelevant swing on M15? Not really. So we're just gonna continue. It doesn't really matter. It's just gonna dump. It's gonna flush. Come on. I need a digital dash. Jump out a new whip, man. Like I'm a slave master. Oh man. Let me check the chat, bro. Try Alt F. Hey Tom, maybe moderator privilege is gonna get taken out. NQ shorts on the retrace, bro. I did not look at NQ, bro. Win plus X plus U plus. Bro, backtesting video win. I don't know, brother. Actually, I don't know. There are like 2 or 3 on a channel already, up on a channel already. So you can just come to the live trading session. That's not backtesting. That's like live learning. So it seems like I'm gonna get taken out. So in that case, even though I love this song, but it is what it is. You're gonna share the Discord audio so you guys can hear the order filled. I was up like $200 here. Let me see. 180. Okay, silver is pushing lower. Come on, gold. You're the weaker asset. Come on, you should be switching now. Oh wait. Let's use our strategy. But his face doesn't work on gold, so just gotta wait. Don't win Excel shut. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'm only gonna stop music once I hear this alert. So I'm just gonna go play my music. Okay, we're not gonna play it. We're gonna hear autofilled. I'm up $44 now, so like 22 ticks away from my stop. So we're gonna hear this.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Stop filled. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the limit. Yes, and that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day, man. Well, I'm not really gonna trade much. Oh man, what the fuck? Wait. This shit looks good. M15. This actually looks good. My brain is thinking about, bro, taking that long, man, to the highs. If that two-stage crank correlation failed, then probably we'll see a new swing formation on the M30, which we're doing right now. And we have this SMT here, but we have to wait for a new swing to form, which is M15 in that case. And on M15, do we have any cracks in correlation? No, we don't. We only have this one, or it might close as a PSB, and that will be enough to classify it, maybe. But let's wait and see. Let's see. Are we gonna just go respect? By the way, oh, we retested the auto block on M15, which is now just justifying a low at 10 a.m. Now we're just forming new invalidation level above it with that SMT, new swing formation. We got that C2 closure here. Okay. Do I want to be involved in this one? and just hold it and call it a day. Like you gotta adapt really quickly, man, to whatever is going on. This one is gonna be like $89 of risk for 214. So I'll go with like 3 contracts to get like 600 bucks out of it, just to kind of try to close the day on like 1K. Interesting. Fought to my ears. Scared the shit out of me. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. That was too loud, right? Whenever Atom says Alt F4 in the chat, I'm sorry, guys. Y'all, y'all will hear that same wrong because yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so far with displacement, we're kind of forming that gap, which is a good thing. And we have that strength switch from being weaker to now stronger, which is a good thing actually. But like I just need this gap to hold to form new intercandle change in state to confirm the low of that new 15-minute candle, and then I will take it. Because now the only thing that is holding is like this M15, this SMT, which is not really that significant. So that's why I wouldn't take this one for the time being. Alright, so we're just gonna start to expand to the upside. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. We did react off of that level, so 2 step cracked my no worries, it's okay. Man, sometimes this is life. Sometimes just yeah, probably, you know what? I'm just gonna go and call it a day, bro. Oh no, I'm not calling it a day, bro. Especially at this 2 stage. Fuck it. I'm not closing the day now, man. How many minutes we got left? 20 minutes. And I've been streaming for 2 hours. Wow. Let me do something here real quickly. Do this. Do this. Take this. And then put this. Now we good. Alright. Yeah, it seems like we're just gonna miss out on that trade. We're at an extreme discount. On hourly, we kind of formed that C2. This is that 10 a.m. Now we're just expanding away from 10 a.m. and we still got like 2 hours for the candle to close. For that 4-hour candle to close. So I might just go ahead and wait for this 30-minute candle to close. And then trade the expansion into like one of these highs. So let's wait. And you know what, guys? You're gonna give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes and I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my coffee for us to... And wait, before I go, man, I want to see if Trader Vader is gonna work. Let me see if Trader Vader is gonna work. And it's still giving us that shit show. Okay, no worries. So we're gonna continue with Trader Vader to the side. So I'm gonna be back. Give me guys probably like 5 minutes max. I'm gonna be back. 1 sec. All right, I'm back. It seems like. Oh wow, we're still holding that SM. Oh wow, we're still holding that SMG. Damn, we're still holding that. Come on, get that shit out of the way. Shit, we're still holding. Wow. That trade could have been still valid, man. Look at that. We got the manipulation with the highs. The CISD here. Wow. Price now is just fucking expanding. Damn. Yeah. I think there's nothing really more here to do. I'll probably just go ahead and call it a day, bro. I haven't eaten the whole day. I was about to get my coffee done, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just get something real to eat. So yeah, if I don't end up taking any trades, which I think I will. Fuck's sake. Holy fuck, what I missed out on. Shit, bro. Oh my god, man. Please. Please give me this trade and go. Please. Oh my god, bro. What I missed out on. Oh my god, man. Got a two-stage PSP here on M15. Come on, be fast. Let me go to CL here. I don't know again. CL point value. Gotta do the math again, man. CL. Is one contract enough? Still one contract?
Order filled.
And then I'm gonna put one buy stop here. And one buy stop here. But I don't know, bro, if the risk is good or not. I got in, by the way. I got in on CL. But I don't know how much I'm risking, man. That's the problem. That's the only issue. That I don't really know how much I'm risking. Which is really bad. So let's see if this one's gonna flip bearish. I'm just gonna go ahead and move my buy stop here in case something happens. Oh my god, bro, like this move I'm already up 200 bucks. So how much is it? Is it like the same as my 11? All right. Let's see. Let's let it do its thing. That was a perfect execution, by the way. That was like that flawless execution that I love. Come on. Let me remove this stop from here. Come on, bro. That was good. Bro, I came in at the perfect time. Literally, I came in at the perfect time. I'm just gonna remove my buy stop, like my buy stop from here. I'm just gonna put it at the. I was having it here, so I'm just gonna move it to here. On trade away. Buy limit, not buy stop. Buy limit, I mean. And then I'm just gonna remove this buy stop and just gonna put it here. Buy stop. Okay, now I'm setting a break even, bro. Yeah. Let's let it do its thing, bro. And y'all can hear the chart voice, right? Okay, y'all can hear. So when I get taken out, you'll hear stop failed. Or if it's CP, you'll hear limit failed. So that's gonna be it. That's really clean. Two-stage PSP again from a gap. That's like filter displace above the high. Take that out. We have this two-stage PSP here. 3 minute. What we did, just kind of CIC it there. And now we're just confirming a new CIC here. If we do CIC, then that's a valid place to move stops at. Stops above the higher break even. They're almost the same. So I'm just gonna let it go for that TP. That's gonna be a great one. That's gonna be it for me today. Either a stop, or either a break even or a win. Then I'm just gonna call it a day, man. Photo strategy again, but the problem is, man, like when I backtest his face, it only works on NQ, and like only on indices. So yeah, probably I should put like Trump face here, but I need to backtest it again because this is the one, or Vince will. Nah, man. Or I don't know if he's interested in oil or not, but just look at that side eye, bro. Just like you want to go, because now he's facing up, like he's looking up. He should be. He's almost looking this way, right? So now, yeah, this is kind of that perfect location. Let's see. But I have to backtest his face. But I have to backtest like Trump and also this guy. I don't want to even mention his name. Oh my god, bro. Let's see. Oh no, it was really good with oil. I think maybe this phase is gonna work better. Maybe I was thinking about this phase might work too. But it's control a lot of portion of oil. Saudi Arabia has a lot of oil. So let's see. If we're starting displacing lower, then is the reason. In like the next, 10 seconds. Yeah, we're going up. Let's see. Maybe the strategy is gonna work with his face. So, yeah. Yep, I think his face is better. I think his face. Also he's better looking than. I'm not gonna mention his name. I don't want my stream to be taken out just because of that guy. Look at that shit. I think they will. I'm not gonna say something. I'm just gonna stay silent. All right. We could go band for band. Fuck that. We can go. I'm gonna go with the emotionless. Oh wait. Oh my god. On point. Not using yeah, bro. As I said, like his face only works on NQ, only on indices, bro. Like that's when I backtested his face. So I don't have a lot of data about RB. So I'm trying new faces here. I'm trying new volume profile. So we get the Saudi volume profile and also the. I'm not gonna mention the name again. Volume profile. So let's see. So we got a new opposing candle on RB. So come on, you gotta start fucking dumping. Don't hit me when you're here. What's my favorite song? Don't tell me how you know you would have been like this all along. I know the jury is just when I'm until I'm gone. And even that the thing that comes after is moving on. I can even capture the feeling I had at first. Alright, like the volatility is so dry. So dead. When will you break your fast? I did, bro, but I just drink water. We broke at like 7. It's been like now what? 5 hours, 7 hours, bro. Literally. It's now 1. Oh my god, bro. Netanyahu, look, when Netanyahu's face stayed here, bro, it started fucking pushing higher, so we're just gonna go out and remove his face. And we go to the other side. Let's see what's gonna happen now. We're also aligning with the auto block face, beard auto block. And just like at the top of his face, look at that perfection, bro. Now we're retesting the face of the Saudi king. Okay. They got big noses, so maybe like went to his nose. Kind of check what's going on there. See if like he's smelling some money. There, just gonna. All right, y'all are ready to hear it? Are y'all ready to hear? Order filled. Let me stop music. Alright, we're gonna start sharing the desktop audio. Bro. Listen carefully, listen carefully. Order filled. Stop filled. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta do me dirty like that. Good boy, good boy. Let's see what gold is doing, bro. Shit, it did actually done. Clean inversion. Back to the lows. Clean, actually. Inversion with the CISD without taking out a low, so you'll move your stop break even here, and you probably could have taken a break even there. Not really. Yeah, you could have taken a break even. Holy, bro. Listen carefully. Oh, wow, it did not take me out. Okay. Okay. Come on, RB, take that high out and give me that SMT, bro. Give me that SMT. Come on. CL, do something, but just don't take that high out, because that's where my stop is at, please. So keep me safe, bro. Keep me safe. Okay, now we got that SMT. CL, start pushing lower, man. Let me add two more. Let me add more. Let me add more. Let me add more. Okay. Add more to the position. Hula, hula, hula. Come on. You got a big circle of traders. You're aligned like with the circle. So they're sitting in a circle here. Okay. Let's see. We don't want to hear stop failed.
Stop filled.
Fuck's sake, bro. Oh my god. I need to back this the face strategy again, man. It doesn't work again. It did not work. So, it is what it is, man. Sometimes, sometimes you just gotta accept to break even. Or fail. Or fail. Fuck off, man. Or fail. No, man, you should say buy. Oh, let me remove my buy limit. What the fuck? I was gonna leave my buy limit. I was gonna roll the account while I'm sleeping. Ah, man. Get, bro, what the fuck? Get out of the way. Bro, I want to take off my limit. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the bro, they man, what the fuck? Okay, now it's good. Remove the limit. Perfect. Yeah. Bro, the amount of trades that I took today is insane, man. What the fuck? I took gold, break even. CL, break even. Again, CL, break even. NQ, winner. That M30 candle was just, it saved us for the day. Ah, man. Oh, your top 3 artists. I like your taste in music. Drake. Yeah. No. Drake, Future. Third, I don't know, 21. Maybe Travis. Bismillah, break even. Break the fast with a break even. That'll be. Oh yeah. Are you shooting prop firm? Yeah, I'm shooting prop, buddy. But man, it's just not delivering, man. And we tried multiple strategies at the same time, man, but it just didn't work. See, I think, yeah, maybe we jinxed this strategy. It got jinxed, so maybe we gotta use new faces, or maybe just go with like the market maker, the owner of the algorithm, ICT himself. Maybe we'll try it out next time. We'll see if his face is gonna do the job. He's gonna get the job done or not. But yeah, that's really it for me today. We've been streaming for almost 3 hours, so yeah. Incurred has been fucking around, so that trade was really the cleanest. So we got the short. Could have taken it long too, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't hit the thumbs up, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's really it. See you guys tomorrow same time. Hopefully tomorrow we make like 1k. We made like $300 today. It is what it is. We missed out on a lot of moves. And this bet is I'm not gonna say any bad word. Okay. This is Ramadan. Okay, see you guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. And I think this one is gonna still push lower. Yeah, I just didn't want, because literally when I got on that trade, I did not know how much I'm risking, so that's why I moved stops to break even. So yeah, that's really it. And also, I could have trailed the stop. Yeah, I actually could have trailed the stop with that opposing candle. Anyways, adios amigos. Estas noches. See you guys tomorrow.